The harvested oranges are efficiently transferred into large crates, maximizing space. These crates are then stacked.
An automatic sorting machine scans each orange for size and quality. Advanced sensors analyze color, shape, and external condition.
The filtered orange juice enters a mixing tank. The system ensures uniform consistency and flavor.
Readings are fluctuating outside the safety parameters.
Initiating heat level adjustment protocol. Levels stabilizing now. The cooled orange juice is transferred into large storage tanks. These tanks are made of stainless steel for hygiene.
In another section, plastic bottles are being formed. Heated material is molded into bottle shapes.
Defective orange juice bottles are automatically removed from the line. They are diverted to a separate rejection area. This prevents faulty products from reaching customers.
Cartons are sealed and securely closed. They are stacked neatly on pallets. The packaging ensures safe transportation. The product is now ready for storage.
According to the manifest, these orange juice pallets need to be moved to the staging area next.
Copy that. We'll get them loaded for distribution right away.
Truck 3 is clear. Move the next pallet in.
Copy that. Bringing it now.
Doors secured tightly.
Final checks complete. We are clear to depart. The truck drives along the highway toward markets. The journey represents the final delivery stage. The product moves from factory